Welcome to Nile Nadi channel with another interesting topic on automatic guided vehicle using AI. Okay, fantastic, let us see what is automatic guided vehicles and their use cases. Automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, are load carriers that travel autonomously throughout a warehouse, distribution center, or manufacturing facility, without an onboard operator or driver. They are computer-controlled and wheel-based, and their movement is directed by a combination of software and sensor-based guidance systems. AGVs are used for tasks that would typically be handled by forklifts, conveyor systems, or manual carts, moving large volumes of material in a repetitive manner. They are uniquely designed to automate tasks for which humans are not necessary, automate long walks in warehouses, set the pace for workers, and eliminate the physical rigors of a traditionally physically demanding job. AGVs are used in various applications, including manufacturing, warehousing, inspection, exploration, transportation, and military. They can be used to transport and load pallets of finished goods directly into standard, over-the-road trailers without any special dock equipment. AGVs can be used to eliminate waste within warehouse operations, such as those time-consuming activities that take away energy and resources. AGVs can transport raw materials such as metal, plastic, rubber, or paper. They can transport palletized cement board, garments on a hanger, and heavy parts through the manufacturing process. AGVs are capable of consistently and efficiently moving materials over a distance, delivering stable loads, and providing on-time delivery. AGVs are used in the automotive industry in chassis lines, engine and gearbox assembly lines, final assembly and trim manufacturing processes, and just-in-time parts. AGVs are also used in the food and beverage, healthcare and pharma, packaging, paper and printing, and production industries. AGVs offer incredible benefits, including reduced labor costs, increased safety, increased accuracy and productivity, and modularity. What are the different types of automatic guided vehicles? There are several types of automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, available in the market. Here is a brief overview of the different types of AGVs. Unit load AGVs. These AGVs are designed to carry one or several unit loads at a time to and from conveyors, stands, end-of-line equipment, and automated storage and retrieval systems. They are ideal for handling pallets, drums, boxes, totes, skidded items, and heavy packages. Forklift AGVs. These AGVs are driverless forklifts that autonomously follow a series of predetermined instructions to accomplish missions given by a central automatic forklift fleet controller. They are designed to provide both horizontal and vertical movement of the load and can be configured to stack loads in racks. Tugger AGVs. These AGVs are designed to tow carts or trolleys. They are compact and can be used in autonomous operation mode. They are ideal for repetitive actions, long distances, or in hazardous areas in most industries. Automated guided carts, AGCs. These AGVs are characterized by small chassis and low profile that engage carts or shelves underneath. They are guided by magnetic tape and are ideal for transportation and assembly line work. Automated forklifts. These AGVs are self-driving robotic devices that have the ability to carry, lift, retrieve, and place loads for easy transfer from one location to another. They are computer-controlled and can operate around the clock, and across multiple shifts. Each type of AGV has its own unique features and benefits. The choice of AGV depends on the specific application and requirements of the user. Fine. What are the benefits of using automatic guided vehicles in manufacturing? There are numerous benefits of using automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, in manufacturing. Here are some of the key benefits. Reduced labor costs. AGVs can replace human workers, which can lead to a significant reduction in labor costs. This is because AGVs require no salary, benefits, or breaks. Improved safety. AGVs can enhance workplace safety by eliminating the need for human operators in hazardous areas. They can also be programmed to take action in certain situations, such as reducing speed in low visibility areas. Increased efficiency. AGVs can work around the clock, which can increase efficiency and productivity. They can also move materials quickly and accurately, reducing the time needed for material handling. Improved inventory accuracy. AGVs can track inventory accurately, which can help reduce errors and improve inventory management. Better utilization of people. AGVs can free up human workers to perform more valuable tasks, such as quality control or maintenance. Repeatability. AGVs can deliver repeated movements and precision, which is important in a busy manufacturing environment. Elimination of human error. AGVs can eliminate the risk of human error, which can lead to improved quality control and reduced waste. Flexibility. AGVs can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, making them highly flexible and adaptable to changing manufacturing needs. Improved delivery performance. AGVs can reduce work and process time, which can increase manufacturing throughput and improve delivery performance. Reduced risk. AGVs can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries in the workplace, which can lead to lower insurance premiums and improved worker morale. Overall, AGVs offer numerous benefits to manufacturing operations, including reduced labor costs, increased safety, improved efficiency, and better inventory accuracy. Interesting. Who are the major players using automatic guided vehicles? According to the search results, there are several major players in the automatic guided vehicle (AGV) market. Some of the key players include Daifuku, JBT, Kion, Toyota Industries, Kuka, Hyster-Yale Materials Handling, Swiss Log Holding AG, D-Matic, Bastian Solutions Incorporated, Egemin Automation Incorporated, and Sigrid Corporation. These companies are involved in designing, manufacturing, and supplying AGVs for various industries, including automotive, food and beverage, healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. The AGV market is fairly fragmented, with many large and medium-sized players accounting for the majority of market revenue. These companies are deploying various strategies, such as mergers and acquisitions, strategic agreements and contracts, developing, testing, and introducing new products, to maintain their position in the market. Amazing! What are some examples of companies that use automatic guided vehicles in their manufacturing processes? According to the search results, many companies across various industries use automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, in their manufacturing processes. Here are some examples of companies that use AGVs. General Motors. General Motors uses AGVs to transport materials and parts in their manufacturing facilities. Amazon. Amazon uses AGVs in their warehouses to move products and packages around the facility. Ford. Ford uses AGVs to transport materials and parts in their manufacturing facilities. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses AGVs to transport raw materials and finished products in their manufacturing facilities. BMW. BMW uses AGVs to transport materials and parts in their manufacturing facilities. Nestle. Nestle uses AGVs to transport raw materials and finished products in their manufacturing facilities. Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble uses AGVs to transport materials and products in their manufacturing facilities. What are the different types of tasks that automatic guided vehicles can perform in manufacturing? Automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, can perform a wide range of tasks in manufacturing, as per the search results. Here are some of the different types of tasks that AGVs can perform. Material handling. AGVs can transport materials and parts within a manufacturing facility, eliminating the need for human operators in hazardous areas. Pallet handling. AGVs can transport pallets of finished goods directly into standard, over-the-road trailers without any special dock equipment. Assembly line work. AGVs can transport raw materials, components, and finished products to and from assembly lines. Inventory management. AGVs can track inventory accurately, which can help reduce errors and improve inventory management. Heavy load transportation. AGVs can transport heavy loads, such as steel cylinders or large sheets of paper, without requiring human intervention. Material sorting. AGVs can sort materials and components, making it easier for workers to access the materials they need. Delivery. AGVs can deliver materials and products to specific locations within the manufacturing facility. 8. Stowing. AGVs can store materials and products in designated areas, making it easier for workers to access them. What are the key technologies used in automatic guided vehicles? According to the search results, there are several key technologies used in automatic guided vehicles, AGVs. Here are some of the key technologies. Robotics. AGVs are robotic devices that require knowledge of robotics to design, program, and operate them. Computer science. AGVs are computer-controlled, and their movement is directed by a combination of software and sensor-based guidance systems. Therefore, knowledge of computer science is essential to understand the programming and operation of AGVs. Electrical engineering. AGVs are powered by electrical systems, and knowledge of electrical engineering is necessary to design and maintain these systems. Mechanical engineering. AGVs are load carriers that travel autonomously throughout a warehouse, distribution center, or manufacturing facility. Therefore, knowledge of mechanical engineering is essential to design and maintain the mechanical components of AGVs. Sensor technology. AGVs use various sensors, such as laser scanners, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors, to navigate and avoid obstacles. Therefore, knowledge of sensor technology is necessary to understand the operation of AGVs. Navigation technology. AGVs use various navigation technologies, such as laser guidance, magnetic guidance, and vision guidance, to navigate through manufacturing facilities. Thanks for watching the channel. Please subscribe and notified.